Unboxing isn't just a moment, it's a feeling. Whether it's a unique collectible or a coveted luxury item, each experience captures the joy of discovery and ownership. Gamification has made shopping an interactive journey. Reward systems, leaderboards, and social sharing create an engaging environment, making every purchase fun and rewarding. Exclusive releases and time-limited offers spark excitement and urgency, turning shopping into an adrenaline-filled event. Possessions have taken on a social dimension, with online sharing turning them into symbols of achievement and connection. These emotional drivers are shaped by human behavior. To better understand the evolution of materialism, let's journey back to the 1950s to 1970s, when Asia-Pacific's consumer story began its transformation. In the decades after the war, particularly the 1950s to 1970s, Asia focused on recovery and meeting essential needs. Small factories became the heartbeat of this revival, driving progress and quietly shaping a brighter, more resilient future. As industrialization and globalization reshaped Asia-Pacific economies, the foundation was laid for the e-commerce boom of the 2000s, where pop culture and global trends transformed consumer behavior. The rise of digital technology added new dimensions to shopping. E-commerce turned transactions into engaging experiences, while events like Singles Day made buying exciting and celebratory. This transformation positioned Asia-Pacific as a global leader in e-commerce and innovative retail. Subscription services now offer flexibility and personalization through curated deliveries and rentals. However, this rapid development also sparked two contrasting perspectives on consumerism. Picture a region transformed by consumerism. Across Asia-Pacific, the rise of consumer goods has driven economic growth, created jobs, and fostered innovation. E-commerce platforms, digital payments, and creative product designs have made consumption more accessible and dynamic than ever before. Yet the benefits come with a cost. While consumerism boosts economies, it also fuels inequality. Access to luxury goods becomes a marker of social divide, and the pressure to keep up with trends burdens many financially and emotionally. Innovation is reshaping how people consume. Businesses are embracing sustainability, creating eco-friendly goods and recycling programs that merge style with responsibility. At the same time, technology is enabling personalized shopping experiences, meeting the needs of increasingly diverse consumers. But challenges remain. Overproduction and waste strain the environment, with landfills overflowing and ecosystems under pressure. Despite sustainability efforts, materialism often prioritizes quantity over mindful consumption, leaving communities and the planet to bear the burden. Consumerism bridges cultures and modernity. In blending global trends with local traditions, it celebrates creativity and individuality. This evolution shapes identities and fosters a sense of connection across the region. However, traditions are at risk. The pursuit of modernity often overshadows heritage, diluting cultural identities in favor of homogenized consumer trends. The balance between honoring the past and embracing the future grows increasingly fragile. From refined spaces to meaningful possessions, minimalism is reshaping lifestyles across Asia. With fewer distractions, people are focusing on what truly matters, creating spaces filled with purpose and harmony. Imagine a world where consumption is intentional, sharing and recycling reduce waste, while eco-friendly goods become elegant symbols of responsibility. Think of a generation that values moments over materials. Across Asia, young people prioritize sustainable travel, creative workshops, and shared consumption, fostering lasting memories and deeper connections. Now picture a future where businesses and communities unite for sustainability. Corporations are turning waste into opportunity through recycling and reuse, building a future where connection and sustainability thrive.